never met, girl, if that's the thing that you do. If change don't come your way, you will come back to you. Put some
What's up, you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen if you are new. Today's video is sponsored by WIGNEE Hair. They sent me a straight unit to review for you guys. The link and the description of this unit will be in the description box below. This is an 18-inch 4x4 lace closure unit and it's a straight wig. Let's get straight into the unboxing. So it comes in this black box. We have some hairpins, a wig cap, and this is the unit, you guys. It looks jet black. It's very soft. So take a closer look at it. It comes parted in the middle. Like I said, it is a 4x4 closure. We have two combs on the sides, a comb in the middle, and a comb at the bottom with the built-in adjustable straps. I'm gonna do a middle part since it's already parted in the middle. If you guys want to see how I install this unit, stay tuned. guys, I am done styling this unit and I love it. It's very beginner friendly. It's a 4x4 closure unit. You don't have to worry about dealing with a lot of lace. All I did was put some foundation. Oh, I didn't even put foundation. Girl, I didn't even put foundation. You don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is put the wig on and cut the lace. And if you want to put some bedhead spray or got to be glued on it, you can. You don't have to because you can adjust the wig in the back. And just go ahead and flat iron the wig, and that's it. It's very beginner friendly, very throw on and go-ish. Not create any baby hairs with this unit. I just left it as is and it's pretty. I love it. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I would like to thank WIGNEE Hair for sponsoring this video and for sending me this unit. You guys, be sure to check the description box below where you can get the link to this unit. It's very affordable and you may have a coupon code as well, so check that out. I would like to thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on my social media. I'm on Instagram and Facebook at Jen On Demand. Until next time, you guys, bye.